Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to crochet these adorable sandals. You can see it, size 26. But before I start, if you are new here or you've not subscribed to this channel, please do wait to subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, but here I will explain how I made this. But because of workload, I couldn't make the tutorial, as in I couldn't crochet it. But I will explain it step by step how I make these sandals. So I start. So this is size 26. You can see it with small up leg. So I start with 18 chains. I join three. Let me get it here. Yeah, I use three size 9 fishing thread. You can see it size 9. So how to dictate the size, you can check here, 210D/9. So size 9. But see this one is size 12. That's it, 210D/12. So I use three size 9. So I joined three of these together to make this. So I started with 18 chains, then work 7 rows of single crochets. So remember, at the end you crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew, turn and skip 1 stitch, make 7 rows of single crochet. That is how I got this first one. Then for the second one, I skip 1 stitch from here. Then on the next stitch, I started with 7 chains. I make 7 chains, then count out 5 stitches from this first belt I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I work 7 chains. So the same thing is applicable here. Work 7 chains, count out 5 stitches from here, then work on the remaining stitches on the middle. Then work 7 rows. So the same thing I did here, you work 7 rows of single crochet. Yeah, after working this second belt, I count out, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count out 10 stitches from both sides. 10 out here, 10 out here. Then I work on 16 stitches on the middle. So I reduce both sides. I work 16 stitches to this point. Then on the second row, I skip 1 stitch. Then at the end here, I also skip 1 stitch. So I skip 1 stitch on each end. So until it remains 4, you can see it, until it remains 4 stitches. So I continue working with the 4 stitches till I work 19 rows of single crochet. 19 rows in total. You can see it. So after working 19 rows, I count out 9 rows from here. So if you start counting from this here, if you start counting from here, I have 9 rows out. Then I fold it, then stitch it here. That is how I got this particular one here. Then for this one, I work 8 chains, then work 8 rows of single crochet. 8 chains, 8 rows of single crochet. So the same thing is applicable here. 8 chains, 8 rows of single crochet. Yeah, I said let me separate it so that you understand what I'm saying. So for this up belt, I made it straight. So I started from here. I work 3 chains, then fix it here. Work single crochet from here to this point. Then work 18 chains from here to this point. Then also single crochet from here to this point. Then work 25 chains to this point. 25 chains. Then you turn and work 5 rows of single crochet. I have sorry, not 5 rows. I have 4 rows here. But here I have 6 rows. So how I got this thing is, so I work first chain to this point, then work first row of single crochet to this point. Then on the second row, I crochet to this point, then crochet on 18 stitches I made, 18 chains I made on this back belt to this point. Then turn back and single crochet back to the 18 stitches to this point again. Then crochet back. Then I make extra 2 rows here. Then here 4 rows, here 6 rows of single crochet. So that's how I got this belt. Then after that, you fix your buckle, then fix the belt here and buckle it. And that is how I got these sandals. Please watch it over and over and over so that you understand what I said, what I explained here. And if you're still confused, don't worry, I will still make a tutorial video of these sandals and upload. Thank you.